Welcome to Mrs. Taylor's math class. Today, I would like for you to practice with me factoring when a is not equal to 1. Now let's begin class. For question number 1, the value of a is 5, b is 19, c is 12. The product is going to be a times c, or 5 times 12. You get 60. And the sum is the value of b, which is 19. So what two numbers can you multiply to get 60? But when you add them together, you get 19. And so your combo this time would be 4 times 15, which is 60. And 4 plus 15 is 19. You have your two numbers, 4 and 15. So we're going to replace the positive 19 in. So it's going to be 5n squared plus 4n plus 15n plus 12. Take the first two terms, and they're going to factor out an n because that's what they have in common. You left with 5n plus 4. The last two terms have a 3 in common, so that's positive 3. And you left with 5n plus 4. So your final answer, or your factored form, is 5n plus 4 times n plus 3. And you are done. For question 2, the value of a is 2, b is 3, c is negative 9. The product is 2 times negative 9, which is negative 18. And the sum is 3. What are your two numbers this time? It's going to be 6 times negative 3, which is negative 18. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So again, we're replacing the 3n with the combo. So we put 2n squared plus 6n minus 3n minus 9. Take the first two terms, take out their GCF, which is 2n, and you left with n plus 3. Take the last two terms, factor out their GCF, which is negative 3. And you left with n plus 3. And now you go to your final answer, n plus 3 times 2n minus 3. And we're done. For question 3, the value of a is 3. The value of b is negative 8. The value of c is 4. The product is 3 times 4, which is 12, and the sum is negative 8. What's the combo here? It's going to be negative 6 times negative 2, which is positive 12. Negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8. So we have 3n squared minus 6n minus 2n plus 4. First two terms, factor out a 3n. You left with n minus 2. And then last two terms, take out a negative 2. And you're left with n minus 2 again. And so your answer is n minus 2 times 3n minus 2. And we're done. For question 4, the value of a is 3, b is negative 2, c is negative 5. So your product is 3 times negative 5, which is negative 15. And the sum is b equals negative 2. So the combo here should be the same thing, actually. 3 times negative 5. Whoops, hold on. Getting ahead of myself. 3 times negative 5 is equal to negative 15, but 3 minus 5 is negative 2. And so we have 3p squared plus 3p minus 5p minus 5. So the first two terms factor out of 3p, and you're left with p plus 1. And then last two terms factor out of minus 5, and you're left with p plus 1. And so you go to your answer, p plus 1 times 3p minus 5. And you are done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Class is dismissed.